Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile. So basically what you need to do is open up your Facebook, click on the bottom right to open up your menu, and then top right on the gear icon. And then you want to scroll down, but for some reason I didn't find it, so I just search audience and visibility. You need to tap on that. But the problem is it's available for some countries, and for some countries it's not available. Since I'm in Croatia, it's not available to me. As you can see, I only have like profile details, how people can find you, post stories, reels, followers, profile, blocking, active status. So I don't have the option to lock my account, but there are some things you can do that will potentially unlock this feature for you. So what you want to do is, let's just go back, and you see language and region. So the idea is that you change your region and language to a country that has the option to lock a profile on Facebook. So like the first options, you can just like change uh, the like language buttons and titles from Facebook. You can say like what language you want to be translated, which not. You want to play around with this as well. But if you're still not getting, there is something you can also do that's kinda the same. So you want to tap on followers and public content here and make sure that all of these are selected on friends, who can see your followers, like your friends, like everything here should be like friends or only me if you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.